Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video is all about how to download Skype app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Skype app in your mobile phone, first, go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iOS user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar. Type in Skype. You can easily find this app. Now tap the install button. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Skype is a software that enables the world conversation. Skype is used to make free video calls, voice calls, group calls, send instant messages, and share files with other people. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can also see the ratings and reviews. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app. Click the open button. To operate this app, you need to sign in your account. After that, you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Skype app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.